Good morning, students. In today lecture, we will discuss about models for class 11th. In previous video class, we have discussed about May and Mike models. In today class, we will discuss about models, fill and cell. These models are used to express future action. To express future action. It means, in other words, I can say that to express pure futurity. After that, we will discuss about what is the difference between shall and will. Both used to express future action, but we just see what is the difference, in which way that we can use models shall and will. Modal shall is used with first person pronoun. First person pronoun. In first person, I and we. I for singular and we for plural. Always in the simple future purity that we will use modal shall with I and we. I and we, there is a shall, and second and third person. Second and third person. It means in second person you, and third person he, she, it, and they, and any name, that there will be use of a will model. For example, I shall go to Delhi tomorrow. In this sentence, the action that will take place on upcoming days. In this way, there is the combination of first person and modal shall. For example, he will do it. It means the action will be done in future. It means the person who is going to do that, he is the third person, he. That's why there is the modal with he and will. After that, there is the some difference. When we express threat determination, promise, quotation, and willingness. There is, whenever we can express these points, these senses. If we want to express threat, if we want to show determination, after that, if we give promise, if we quote it to someone, and there is the willingness, that in these condition, in the first person, I and we. First person and second person, sorry मैं first person I and we, second person second and third you, he, she, it, they, and any name. If we express threat, if we express determination, promise, and all these in any sentence with first person, there will be use of modal will, and the same condition that to be adapted in the same persons, there will be modal shall. For example, if I want to express promise, quotation, and willingness, for example, I will do it. It means the speaker going to express that he is just telling that he will do this work. It means he do this at all cost. जरूर करेगा. And formally that I shall do it. It means in this sentence there is the formally proclamation of any action. It means कि मैं करूंगा, and I will, it means मैं जरूर करूंगा. This is the difference. In other sense, in other sentences, I also give the example of I will try to make this. Maybe in this sentence that there is also again use of I with will. This is not formal sentence. In this sentence that there is also the determination, and in this way we can express in the both models in different roles. Dear students, that's all in this. Next we will discuss in the next video lecture. Thanks and have a nice day.